When you are building a blockchain dApp, this is the must include feature you have to add in your dApp. So right now I have deployed this contract for the NFT marketplace to the Polygon test network. So if I show you my MetaMask, if I go to the network section, here you will find that I have MetaMask. But what if I want to delete this? So let me switch it and let me come back here and let me delete this one. So what happened when the user will try to connect with your application? Your contract is deployed on Polygon test network, but they are using mainnet or any other network. In that case, the user will face error. So it's always very important that you have to add these features. So now if I'm going to reload that, you're going to see this MetaMask will popped up and it will suggest the user to add the network in the MetaMask because I don't have that. If I show you, if I take you to my MetaMask, if I open that one, if I go to this network section, I don't have Polygon test network, but I have to add it to interact with this particular dApp. So if I reload that, it's going to open this pop-up model, and all I have to do is to simply configure and say approve. And it's going to simply switch the network to the Polygon test network, and I'm going to connect it with that network, and I will have all the NFT which we have created. So this one is the very important feature you have to include, and when you will go to the bigger application, this is the feature they will provide. And this is the feature I have included in the Pro NFT Marketplace blockchain course, which you can come and you can have a look. A lot of students have already enrolled that, but I'll show you that what are the things we have. So let me give you a quick glance that how our admin page is going to look. So if I come back here in the admin, right now I cannot have the access, so I have to switch back to my contract owner, this particular address, and I have to reload it. And here I have the access of the admin page, so you can have a full control over your application. You can do all of that. So it looks absolutely fantastic. Now let's talk about the feature we have included in this application which allow the user to connect and configure the network in their MetaMask. So if I take you back to the code, so this is the final source code. Here I have done all the update for Pinata, and this one is for Infura. You can go with anyone. Now let's come back to the code. If I come back to the pages, inside the pages, not in the pages, we have to go into the utility models, and we have built a lot of feature into our application. It is one of the biggest project you're going to add in your portfolio. You can see we have multiple contract. It's pretty huge. This is the donation, this is the NFT marketplace, we have the fund, token, chat application, tons of things we have. Now if I take you back here in the community, and here we have the contract. So we have followed the read and write architecture in this particular project. So let me expand this one and let me show you what we have here. So this is where we are interacting with the blockchain network, and literally you can connect with any blockchain. All you have to do is to do this particular configuration. So here I have done the configuration for the 3 blockchain. So this one is for Polygon Mumbai, this one is Polygon mainnet, and this one is a Binance. So this is the network configuration. If your contract is deployed on Polygon mainnet or Polygon testnet or Ethereum, Gorilla, all you have to do is to configure this. So this is the configuration you have to do. Here you have to provide the chain ID, name, currency type, and RPC URL which going to be added in your MetaMask. And here is the Explore. This is for the mainnet, Polygon mainnet, and this is for the Binance. All the configuration we have provided, and this is how you have to provide as an object. And here we have the function. So this is the very first function we have called change network. So first we are checking for the window object in Ethereum, means if the user have MetaMask installed or not. If not, then we have to throw this error message. But if they have the MetaMask, then we have to simply request for network change. And all we have to do is to pass the network which we want to connect with. So we have this network name. So this is the function, and here we have this handle network switch. In that, all you have to do is to pass the network name which you want to connect with. So I want to connect with the Polygon Mumbai, and that's what we have here in the network configuration. Is going to take this one. If you want to go with the Binance, you have to simply provide Binance here, and it will automatically add the Binance network in the browser. So all I have done, I have simply called this function here in this. I have called this particular function right up here, and it will automatically trigger. It will check whether the network is configured or not. If it's not there, it's going to simply configure it, and then it's going to simply connect. So this is the best way you can simply prevent any kind of error related to the network, and you can be on the safer side, because sometimes what happens, the RPC endpoints which you can see in the MetaMask, like this RPC endpoint which I have provided here, sometimes they change. So you can simply configure it from your end manually, so the user cannot face any type of error when they will interact with your application. So this is the exact configuration you have to do. This is how you can keep all the network. You can provide multiple options. Like just now you can provide a button where user can switch back to different network. So this one is a really great feature and you have to include it. And this is what you're going to build in the course. Again, it's a really huge application, so I want you to come here and watch this video. In that I have given a brief explanation that what exactly you're going to build, and you can come back here, you can check all this video and you can check the modules which you're going to learn. You're going to learn and master Solidity programming language, every single thing. You're going to do important setup as per the Web3 requirement. You're going to build this phenomenal and huge application. It has 5 different contract, multiple feature we have provided. Here you will learn about the latest technology like Web3 provider, MetaMask, Hardhat, Tailwind, React, HTML, CSS. That's all you're going to master. Again, you can come and watch this video. I'm not going to explain because I have already done it here. But in case if you want to add this kind of network, like particular network configuration, this is how you can do it. Okay, first you have to create a network object similar to like this, and you can keep as many network as you want. But I am focusing on Mumbai because they where I am deploy my contract. Then build this particular function, simply call it, and it's going to simply connect it. So this is how you can do it. I hope you guys have found this video valuable. If you still have any confusion or any doubt, because I was getting a lot of requests from all of you guys to build and show you this, and many of you have shown me the screenshot that how we can add this functionality. So must come and check this out. This will teach you every single thing. This works absolutely fine. You can able to filter. That's all you can do. You can go with a recent, high, low price. That's all you can do that. So make sure to come and check. We have the light and dark mode. That's all you will have. You can come back to the create, and from here you can create 3 different type of NFT like image, audio and video. But I like the dark one. Looks pretty good. So that's the only thing from my end. Make sure to come and check this out. Check this video to understand better that what exactly you're going to learn and what exactly you're going to build and what learning you're going to have. So make sure to check each one of the modules before you decide to get into the course. And if you get it, let's meet together and let's build this phenomenal application together. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.